Maintaining friendships through changing circumstances can be challenging, but it's also essential for nurturing meaningful and lasting connections. Here are some strategies to help you navigate these changes. Communication is key. Stay in touch regularly, even if it's just a quick text or a phone call. Regular communication helps you stay connected and aware of each other's lives. Understanding and empathy. Recognize that life circumstances change for everyone, and your friends may have new responsibilities, commitments, or challenges. Be empathetic and understanding of their situation. Adaptability. Be flexible and adaptable with your plans. If your friend's circumstances make it difficult to meet in person, consider virtual hangouts or alternative ways of spending time together. Quality over quantity. It's not about how often you see each other, but the quality of the time you spend together. Make the most of the time you have, whether it's a short catch-up or a weekend getaway. Plan ahead. Schedule regular meetups or virtual hangouts in advance. This way, you can ensure that you have time set aside to connect with your friend, even if your schedules are busy. Support and encourage. Offer support and encouragement when your friend is going through challenging times. Sometimes just being there to listen can make a significant difference. Shared interests. Find activities or hobbies you both enjoy and can do together, even if it's something as simple as watching the same TV series, reading the same book, or joining a virtual class together. Celebrate milestones. Make an effort to celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, and other milestones in your friend's life, even if you can't be there in person. Send gifts or organize surprise virtual parties. Visit when possible. If distance is a factor, make an effort to visit your friend when you can. Plan trips or vacations that allow you to spend time together in person. Honesty and openness. If you're feeling neglected or your friend is not making an effort, have an open and honest conversation about your concerns. Communication can help address issues and strengthen the friendship. Forgive and forget. Mistakes and misunderstandings happen. Be willing to forgive and forget when necessary. Holding on to grudges can damage friendships. Meet new friends. While it's essential to maintain existing friendships, it's also healthy to make new friends who share your current circumstances and interests. Prioritize self-care. Ensure that you're taking care of yourself and managing your own changing circumstances. When you're well, you're better equipped to support and maintain your friendships. Remember that maintaining friendships through changing circumstances requires effort from both sides. A strong friendship can withstand these changes and become even more meaningful over time.